Hello everyone, and happy Halloween! As you can kind of tell by my sloth, we are having a Halloween party today at work, so I'm dressed as a sloth for the day. And it makes me happy and comfy and warm and fuzzy. Anyways, last night at D&D, I guess we kind of picked up from a couple weeks ago when I wasn't there. So I was completely confused on what was going on. Apparently, some drow were chasing a new member of our party, and we helped him to where we were, which I'm still not quite sure where we were. Something about being stuck in a maze, and we were at one of the ends of one of the corners, and there was a lot of drow going on, which was really scary. I forgot to mention on the last video that I now have an oath bow. Everybody nominated me to have it because I don't know, I just kind of ended up with it. But there were a couple of drow in this long corridor type thing, and they're like, hey, use your oath bow and whatever, and I totally killed the first dude. But the fight wasn't even relatively close to be over, of course. So I could no longer use the oath bow, because once whoever you're fighting dies, you cannot use it again until after a long rest. Well, you can use the bow, but not the oath part. And by the way, my oath consisted of oath. I got nothing. So, used the oath bow, and then we killed 3 drow easily. And then hell kind of broke loose. A more powerful drow, I guess. No, it was a mage. I don't know. A more powerful character ended up coming up in the end of this corridor. Well, what we could see of the end of the corridor because it's dark. And came with their gigantic spider friend, which I will call Aragog because Harry Potter. So this battle took a long time. I was originally planning on leaving at 8 so I could go home and let my dogs out, but we were in the middle of this battle. I'm like, I can't leave. So what ended up happening was, first of all, I rolled for terribly last night. I could not hit anything. I kept on aiming, and I kept on shooting, and I kept on missing. We're talking like about 7 times in a row, I think, for one dude. And I mean, I gave my bardic inspiration to other players, which helped them a lot, but I guess I just sat there and played my bagpipes and making fight music. Yeah, I was of almost no help last night, especially since the main tough dude, chick, whatever, had over, I think, 150 hit points, and I dealt no damage whatsoever. So, I mean, rolling-wise, it was a pretty crappy night, but it was also a lot of fun, because we kept the other party members, I was going to say we, but I did no help. So the other party members took care of this bad guy, and it took a long time, and you're just wondering, like, really? Why are you not dead yet? But in the end, it was a lot of fun. There were many dirty jokes said last night. If you were there, you can chime in the comments below about some of the dirty stuff. But it was a lot of fun like usual. We got a ton of XP, 2,300. So Belch is now a level 4. So I have to level him up. Yeah, I guess it's going to be a short video this week. I'm kind of dragging today, but I'm a sloth, so I guess it's kind of appropriate that I'm a little bit slower today. Anyways, I guess until next week. Have a good one.